Daddy,
Lucifer!
can you press that button?
No, you can't press the button.
Help me, Jesus!
Give me a hammer. Open that back door. Oh, right, I'm gonna take a fucking hammer to it. What? No, I can't, because I'll fucking trip everything. Right, upstairs, turn all the lights off. Give me a hammer. Nan! I'm gonna fucking kill someone. Oh, my poor ear.
He's coming!
I'm ringing the fucking council saying you can come take away. It's starting to piss me off.
You're not even pressing anything now.
If I trick the trip switch, will it stop? Sorry, Les. Oh, that's the wrong one. Oh, which one's the trip switch? The red one. Sorry, we're going to go lose darkness. No, it
Still goes off! Oh my god!
I was like, because that keeps going fucking off. Fucking thing! Yeah, I'll go upstairs because I'm better too. Alright.
I'm not going to cut.
Ellie, you having sauce?
Wait, Mum, this is mine! I can't not see it.
What?
Oh, yeah, good. Yeah, please. Have you put salt on?
Yep.
I
I can't stop it.
I can hear it from Chelsea's house.
Could you actually? Oh my god.
Just get a hammer. I'll do it. I'm going to get a fucking hammer to it.
Right, we're all going to die.
No, we're not!
Stop!
Don't say
I will go
that!
faster, but I can't.
Stop! Millie!
This is loud enough as it is.
Millie, what? You made me drink. What? You made me drink. I can't hear you. What did you say?
Make Ian a drink, Millie. Oh, yeah. This is how we're living now. I'm gonna go home.
Where was the drink meter?
Fuck it.
We'll just live like this.
Die.
Why?
Why? Swear to God. Stop.
I'm wanting to go away.
You press the button. Move.
What the fuck?
Shut up, I swear to God. I'm going deaf.
What?
I said I'm going deaf.
What?
I don't want to test the alarm, jeez.
Help!
Oh no.
It's not that one, is it? Jesus Christ.
Stop.
Just double check there isn't actually a fire upstairs, Abby.
No, I know there's no fire.
Sorry, Charlie.
At least I don't think there is.
Shut up.
I was. Oh. Oh. My ears. I actually can't hear anything now. I'm just gonna stay here. just going to go home.
Thanks for coming in here to give us company. Can you give us BTS?
What? What do you want?
BTS.
What?
BTS.
Millie, I really can't hear anything.
BTS! Are you snapping us?
My ears are literally... I can't hear anything.
I've got a... Who's your favourite from BTS? Your second favourite. I know who your first is.
V.
I tried it again.
Yeah. I can't hear anything.
I know, I'm deaf. All I can hear is ringing.
Is it raining outside?
I don't know why.
I can't hear it.
No,
You could have done with a smaller
I
top.
can't hear it.
You need some elastic in that.
No, Nan, it's supposed to be like this. It's oversized.
I can't hear shit.
Neither can I. Millie was talking to me. Could not hear her. Whatsoever. It's still going. Why?
Like 24 minutes.
I'll check how long it's been going off for. There's no fire. There's no smoke. There's no nothing. Why is it going off? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yes! 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 Finally!
Kids, it's done.
What? A sexy lady! My ears feel weird.
Yeah, do they feel all fuzzy and
Yeah. Yeah.
are you?
Stupid. Now they do.
I can't hear anything. I can't hear. No, Millie. Shh. Eat your tea.
You can't hear.
I'll stay in here while you eat your tea. Probably won't talk because I can't hear what I'm saying. Your face is a mess.
Neither can I.
The cake is a lie.